How to do: make chicken fried steak. When you're craving a down-home meal, grab your boots and head down Texas way with this chicken fried steak recipe. Instructions: Step 1: whisk together the egg and buttermilk in another pie plate. Step 2: reduce the heat and simmer, stirring occasionally, until the gravy thickens. Quick tip: keep the steaks warm while cooking the gravy by covering the plate with aluminum foil. Quick tip: let the steaks sit for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the batter to settle. Step 3: heat the vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat. Step 4: combine the flour, paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper in a pie plate. Step 5: dredge each steak in the dry ingredients and shake off the excess. Dip each steak in the egg wash, and then back in the dry ingredients. Set the steaks aside. Step 6: pour out all but 2 tablespoons of oil from the frying pan and reheat. Step 7: sprinkle 1 tablespoon of the flour and spice mixture over the hot oil and whisk until smooth. Step 8: cut the steak into 4 1/2-inch thick pieces. Use a meat mallet to tenderize and flatten down to 1/4 inch. Step 9: slowly whisk in milk, scraping the browned bits from the pan, until the gravy thickens. Add salt and pepper to taste. Step 10: fry the steaks for 4 to 5 minutes per side and #8212, until they are golden brown and #8212, and remove them to a plate. Step 11: pour gravy over the steaks, kick back, and enjoy your down-home cooking. Did you know? Chicken fried steak is one of the official meals of the state of Oklahoma.